Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video, man. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you guys that have rocked with my last couple videos that have had nothing to do with sneakers. They were fishing related videos, which is honestly my favorite hobby outside of buying sneakers and stuff like that. That's gonna happen, that's gonna be inevitable, but I'm also going to fish when it's time to do that. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'm gonna put a couple comments. I'm gonna start doing this in each video. People that comment regularly, I'm just gonna start randomly posting your comments just to shout you guys out and thank you for coming and commenting and watching the videos, man. This video is going to be about the Patta 7s, so I'm definitely going to have to shout out my boy MeNMyKickz for giving me the alley-oop on these, and I'll get into that once I crack into this box. But I want to thank everybody that continues to come and watch the content. If you're new around here, you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure it's gray. Come over here and join the movement. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button on your way in or your way out. Thumbs up or thumbs down don't make me no difference, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys, the comments, whether it's constructive criticism or whether it's positive reinforcement. So make sure you hit that thumbs up. It really means a lot for the channel. So before I get into this box, which you can see has the big Nike swoosh on it, you can go watch a previous video if you want to hear my rant on that. But I also want to, I didn't even know that was up there. Got this Bobby D on it. This package, which comes from I heard about her, I think it's, what is it, shoe game, her shoe game, something like that. I'll put her Instagram down in the description below, and I also try to put it on the screen somewhere. But I found out about her from Retro 313 Retro Queen on Instagram and also on Facebook. And I think Talks with TJ also bought something from her as well. But she does her own custom t-shirts. And I'm going to show you what it is. I don't even want to describe it. I'll just show you in a minute. Hopefully mine's turned out the way I wanted it to turn out. It's just the washing instructions. But I thought it was a super dope concept, especially as a sneakerhead. I was like, I gotta have it, man. Once I seen it, I was like, I gotta have it. So I'm gonna look at it first before I show you guys. And the front of the t-shirt is just all black, which is fine. But look on the back. That is fire. That is dope. Now she can customize, like I said, I'll put her information down in the description below, but she can change and customize all this to your likings. And obviously I had Bobby Sneaker World put on there, my YouTube, my size, my European size and my women's size. And I had my colors, just like the sneaker boxes. I had mine dark melanin, black, and excellence. That's the color. That's all of this you see right here. That's the shoebox cover right here. Right here. And I also put my hometown on there of Warren, Ohio. I live in Columbus, but Warren, Ohio, where I was born and raised, and I rep to the day I died at 330. So shout out to her. I also hit her on Instagram already and let her know that the shirt came. But this is really dope. And I'm gonna drop this right now. I don't know if I'm going to try to make my own merch per se. I don't know, it's not going to be to sell, it's just going to be something that I want to represent the channel. I'm still trying to come up with the idea, but I just want to be something that I can wear, or maybe Josiah can wear in the videos and stuff like that. And if it's dope enough, and if I get big enough, people, you know what I'm saying, my channel start popping, maybe I'll sell it, I don't know. But I do want to have something that represents the channel. We represent everybody else's brands, and we represent, you know what I'm saying, we spend our money with all this. We should invest in ourselves, and I plan on doing that at some point. But thank you for my own personal shoebox Bobby Sneaker World t-shirt. Really dope. All right, now that we done got the shirt out of the way, I want to have a little story time about how I came into owning the Patta 7s. Now, I posted on my IG before, like days before, when, you know, Footaction had put up, or Footaction, whatever one it was, that I enter almost every raffle. I enter raffles, I enter all of the stuff on the apps, you know what I'm saying? Try my luck. Because I have people in California. Shout out to my girl, Tani. I'm going to be doing a video tomorrow about something I got from California. I got people in Chicago, MeNMyKickz, and I got people in New York. And they're the 3 main hubs, man. They get everything. So I always try my hand. I hit on the Fear of Gods in New York and in LA. I hit on Unions in LA. I hit on Lately May 1s in LA. And I hit on these in Chicago. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I wanted to get into that, and the receipt is in the box as well. Sorry about that. So these came from Footaction. And as you can see from the box, you've seen this a million times, but you got this Patta branding all around. You got your size 11, which is my size in Jordan 7s. I only know that because I own one pair, which is the Cardinal 7s, which I picked up off eBay. And I'm gonna put a card for that video up here because I got those for 90 bucks. The old pair, the OG pair, got Jordan branding there, and obviously on the front, you have the picture of the actual sneaker that's in this box. Now, I had not a lot, but I had some negative things to say about this sneaker just because I wasn't sure, for one, how 7s look on my feet. I feel like they look like clown shoes a little bit. They look big. But also, I wasn't, just like a lot of people, the biggest fan of the Patta script on the midsole. I'm only gonna pull out one because there's no need to pull out both. But I heard so many great things about the material, the suede on these, and the quality that I figured I hit. I hit for retail. If I can find somebody in Chicago, MeNMyKickz, to pick them up for me, why not, man? If I don't like them, I'll return them. It's no big deal. But, so now that I have them in hand, I'll let you guys look at them first. You have this big, like, I don't know what you call this, like a light mocha, like a caramel hang tag with the Jordan extended outside of the hang tag, which is really, really dope. Now, all over the uppers, you have this dark chocolate, like mocha type suede, which is extremely soft. This is really, really nice quality. And then you go into this light tan, which is the same as the hang tag. This has a scuff. It has a scuff right here. But all around. And then on the midsole, it's even lighter. It's not like a sail or anything. It's darker than that, but they're all different variations of a brown. That's pretty much what it comes down to. And then you have like a cardinal type maroon red all around. And then on the back pull tab, you have Team Patta, which is the other Patta branding, and you have Patta twice on the outside and Patta once on the inside. There's no Patta branding on the bottom, but you do see you had that multicolor outsole. I don't know if there's anything on there's no Patta branding on the insole. It's just maroon with a black Jumpman. And I think these are dope, man. I like all the colors. I like all these. This is like an autumn type color feel to me. Like, it's definitely not summer. You don't get summer vibes from this. You can wear sneakers whenever, because you can't wear these when it's raining or anything else like that without having heavily protected with all of this nice quality suede on here. So I would just wear them whenever. I wear them now. It don't really matter, man. You wear what you like, wear when you like. But y'all let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about these. Did y'all get these for retail? I know a lot of people hit on Sneakers app as well. A lot of people steer away. A lot of people don't rock with 7s, period. But a lot of people steer away from things when they become bricks or there's no high resale value, because you can probably get these for close to retail on your resale apps, your StockX and GOAT and stuff like that. But you have to buy what you like. It can't be, you have to be above the influence sometimes. Sometimes you have to buy what you like and wear what you like. If you don't like it, don't go for it, that's fine. But I figured I'd try my luck. I got them in hand and I like them, so I'm gonna keep them. Unless I use them for trade bait down the road. But as of right now, I don't see any reason to take them out of my rotation. So y'all let me know down in the description below how y'all feel about these. Another shout out to my boy MeNMyKickz, man. I'm gonna put the link to his channel down in the description below. And if y'all not subscribed to his channel, what are y'all doing, man? So I'm gonna get out of here, man. I love my sneakers, man. I appreciate all of the family that I'm making here on this platform, man. It's really, really dope. So, still on the road to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So tell a friend to come join the movement, man. Subscribe to my channel. OV!